Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about ICP, Internet Computer. See what is happening on the daily time frame and of course what is yet to come. First and foremost, just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys in the ICP community for showing tremendous amount of love. I appreciate you guys. Continue supporting and I will continue to bring out these daily updates for you guys. So looking at the markets today, as we are, going into Friday morning, and speaking about Friday, it honestly seems like at this point that last Friday just felt like it was 3 days back. So time is going by so fast and it's absolutely scary, like literally scary to say the least. So if we're looking at ICP, it's down 2.2%. We're starting to see some coins going down, but just a quick reminder for everyone, if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, ICP is up 131%. So let's not forget these numbers, when we are analyzing the charts of ICP. But let's take a further look, see what is happening as of now. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price as of 12th January, you guys can see it's currently sitting at $12.61. We're down about 2.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 2% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $5.8 billion. With the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 233.8 million. Not bad, not bad. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening with the price. But let's start off with Bitcoin, because you guys know we always start off with the price of Bitcoin, see what is happening with BTC. Because at the end of the day, what happens to Bitcoin is a huge deciding factor as to what is going to happen with ICP. So what we're seeing happening with BTC is second day in a row after the spot ETF has been approved, and today was the first day where we did see the spot ETF being traded on the markets. And again, it was just overwhelming. It was overwhelming emotions, I would say. I think that would be the right word, because I still can't believe it. What if I told you I still cannot believe that we have a spot ETF? Because I've been in the space for so long, and like I said, 6-7 years before, no one would have even pictured this coming, because of course the same institutions that have listed it were against Bitcoin. But look how time has changed. A lot of people started to stop Bitcoin, but no one can stop BTC. As you guys can see this for yourself, second day in a row we're seeing BTC holding above this support line. Really good thing, showing us the importance of this support. And this is the second day where we are seeing the support hold, which is really nice to see. Dominance, on the other hand, is pulling down once again. And this could be a beautiful sight for altcoins. If Bitcoin starts trading sideways around here and dominance continues to go down, I'm thinking altcoins could start exploding even further. But as far as ICP is concerned, we're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement. And of course, you guys are probably wondering, why is the price of ICP not hitting that $16 mark? The $16 mark seems to be the most tough resistance for ICP to break out, which is at $16.07. But that time is coming. Believe it or not, that time is coming, and this is where your patience is going to be tested on a day-to-day basis. So let's take a further look, see what is happening as of now. So what you're seeing is, like I've said, seeing a little bit of a minor pullback for ICP, made its way all the way up to $14.35 just yesterday, like a few hours ago. Of course, we were there, and we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback once again. Of course, we did get rejected at that resistance, which I mentioned to you guys yesterday. So what we're seeing is the price of ICP, of course, breaking towards the downside, but being supported by some crucial levels of support, as you can see this for yourself. But what happens now? Let's say we were to lose this support. Now, could we see ICP breaking down to $11.78? Absolutely. I think that could still be in play. But what you guys want to be looking at is, after this huge pullback which we saw on the 8th, when we did see that flash crash across the market. Since then, as the price is going up, we're in an upwards trajectory. We're still in an upwards trend as long as we don't fall below, you could say, $12.14. If we are able to fall below that, then this upwards trend that we're seeing happening right now will get invalidated. So it's really, really important for ICP to be holding around this level, this support line. But at the same time, Bitcoin price should not be ignored, because Bitcoin, like I said, second day in a row, we're sitting at the support line. I still personally think that there is more upside in BTC right now before we do see a little bit of a pullback. But speaking about a pullback, that is definitely coming. A lot of people don't think there's going to be a pullback, but I think there is going to be a massive, shakeout where we do see a lot of weak hands getting, just burnt out. And that is what's going to happen before we do see, all-time highs. But speaking about that, I still do believe as long as we do stay above the support line, there is more upside potential, because ETF has just gotten approved. It's been only about a day. I think more interest will flow in slowly but surely. But that's that as far as ICP's price is concerned. But speaking about its ecosystem, its NFT marketplace is picking up and gaining a lot of traction. I was on crypto Twitter earlier today. I saw a lot of people talking about NFTs, of course, that are built on ICP. And we can talk about that here as well. So you guys can see Entrepot is, the NFT marketplace that is obviously built on ICP. And you can see this for yourself. It's a very, very limited collection in terms of NFTs on, ICP as of now. But as the chain gains more traction, as there is more momentum with the price, I think there's going to be more interest, not in just NFTs, but also, in coins that are launching on ICP. And that is going to be, of course, really interesting to see. But at the same time, the amount of scams, as the chain starts getting popular, there's going to be significant amount of scams. So not everything is going to make it at the end of the day. So this is where your due diligence really comes into play. You don't just want to blindly pick something thinking it's going to be something huge. You always want to do your due diligence and research, because all the chains right now, whether it's layer 2s on ETH, layer 1s, you name it, a lot of ecosystems are exploding right now because, of course, what we have seen with Solana, and that is a huge catalyst that's causing all these other chains to explode. And this is something I projected 3 months ago, and that's literally what's happening. But as far as the NFTs goes, this one's caught my eye. You guys can see Mokodo Ghost, and this Mokodo Ghost is not cheap. Mokodo Ghost is not cheap. You guys can see about 756 are currently listed. I don't own any. I'm just talking about this. About 197.4K volume. That is quite impressive. Let's put that into perspective. Let me bring out the calculator. So we're looking at 198, let's just say, times by 12.54. So we're looking at roughly around 2,000. Wait, this does not make sense. Hold up. Yeah, 198,123 times 12.54. So this is about 2.5. Wow, like $2.5 million worth of volume that has come on for Mokodo Ghost. Insane. So what would be the price of this NFT right now? 22.4 times 12.5, $280 per NFT. Could this be the big one? Who knows, right? Who knows? But what I'm expecting is that we're going to see more traction for the ecosystem itself. So I got my eyes on it. If something catches my eye, I will definitely dollar cost average in. But let me know down below if you guys know anything specific that I should be watching, any specific NFT. It doesn't have to be only on ICP. It could be on other chains as well. Let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.